Hi, my name is Victor, and I'm gonna make a general overview of the RecipeWorks application. RecipeWorks is the recipe management system for small and mid-sized food manufacturers who produces in batches. It is designed to help the food manufacturers to improve product consistency, production efficiency, as well as to reduce waste. On the very bottom of the main screen, you can find the main menu, which consists of 3 items. Ingredients is on the left. It contains a full list of ingredients that you can use in your recipes. Then we have products. This is simply a list of all the products you produce. And the last one here is manufacturing. It contains every production plan you have created so far. As I already mentioned, the app interface is extremely simple. Every list of items on the main screen can be searched or even filtered using multiple criteria. Let's search for pepper, for example. Or the same pepper, but only within the frozen group. You're also able to use additional actions for a number of selected lines. So if any actions are available, they will be shown here on the top right corner. If you want to add a new item to the list of ingredients, products, or whatever, you simply hit a plus button at the bottom right corner here. There is an additional menu in the top left corner. All the recipes that are stored within the system can be seen as a list under the Recipes menu. Processes menu contains a list of all possible processings for your ingredients. Under the Task menu, you will find a list of tasks or process steps which can be used inside of processes. Under Groups, you will find a list of groups which are used to categorize data related to ingredients in the warehouse, recipe lines, and tasks. Units menu contains a list of all units of measure featured with the coefficient for proper unit conversion. And finally, the Settings menu contains some basic parameters that can be adjusted.